I decided to pursue a master's degree at Esade right after my BBA. Initially, I wanted to go somewhere else, explore something new, but in the end, with the reputation of the Marketing Masters and with all the people and all the friends and the community that I've built here in Barcelona, it was an easy decision for me to stay.
I chose Esade because of the international exposure, the possibility of a study tour, international teams in our cohort. It was a good program that offers you a lot of good marketing knowledge and good marketing experience.
My experience so far in the program has been amazing. I mean, the teachers, the professors, the people, and the learning environment is so motivating. Now I have exactly the structure that I need to implement when I go on and work in my future life, and I know exactly how to tackle a marketing problem.
I think the most valuable skill that I acquired during the program was the ability to work in a team. Other things more technical, marketing platforms like SEMrush, Google tools, and a lot of presentation skills. That was of great value for me personally. So I believe that there's a lot of diversity in our marketing program. There are many classmates who come from different continents, from different backgrounds. A lot of class content also refers to diversity and how to manage international multicultural teams.
There's so many different cultures with so many different personalities even. And also I got the chance to go to Japan for my exchange. And so we had so much fun. We got to interact with Japanese culture and learn so much, and it brought diversity into the campus because everyone went away and came back with new cultures and new ideas. For the Masters in Marketing, I would say 3 words to describe it is fun, passionate, and experience.
Unforgettable, remarkable, and intensive.